Namar ka jing persha jong ba ardan milar basoi moj ubade MLA jong nongkrem constituency halor ka jingkren hindi jong ulat ka jela hapo ka ying dorbar thawan kaladon ka jingkren ka batnem bha hapo ka ying dorbar thawan hene ka singi kabade ka singi sedang jong ka dorbar mang tengka jong ka jela ka bom menteri rang ba ka jela ru ulapan pau ya ka jing bom sngo tenat halor kene ka bentah ban habu opat banikaran bad ki arun ki MLA ki bade ki menteri sarkar ki bakentup yu ba pol lengdo bad ikong AMPAREEN lengdo ki lapan pau ba ka liang persha ka judehi ka kom ban WANRAH yi bukum gine ki mat jingkren hapo ka ying dorbar thawan kenang bagi MLA ki badan hapo ka liang sensyar ru kini yo banikaran ban penbej uba pol lengdo ru ulapan sngo ba kam dalong ka ba itenan Henry kan jin dalam bahasa bun pat banikaran de ketin ke basngo thulang hapo ying dorbar
kam day tang mga barok lay soy lang ngilyapan yang kita kentir bansya man kentup lang ha kata ka each di kalap ha sidun ba tentang ke opposition kale la ka jong ka nga mentang ala poin sarkas palenti kam ya lam yang abale kan bay ngin pet pat hakiwi pat benta ki pan wan mang ni sat market
atau ke don kono sai ka jikmu na yang dok ki ban kalian ke sarkar kan ai jingmut ke sarkar kan kalau de thung gop na de ban thung di tak ber ke ban kan ni
ma kam dei ke benta jong nga ban kren benta don ukli do jong ke sarkar chief minister udi ban ra ya kata teman ngi dei ki cabinet police la se JINGIAKREN ya kan ka benta be ndrei kum bakalong hi ne ka singi la expect hi bakane kan saja nomor ka judei hi ka benta jong ka liang persha bakan ra ikini ki issues kum bakas ngobit but ibet of the state of Meghalaya, citizens of the state of Meghalaya, who do not speak Hindi, who do not understand Hindi. So it is important to highlight that, and I am happy that it was highlighted once again this year, because we need to be consistent about that. We need to make sure that government of India knows that the people of the state of Meghalaya do not understand Hindi. In fact, even we were having some difficulty following the language that was spoken, even though the written speech was given to us. So this is important that we consistently inform and highlight to the government of India that we are a non-Hindi speaking community.
But you did not object when the matter was brought in the cabinet. You should have objected. No.
We had, in fact, matter speaking in a specific language is not a matter of the cabinet. This is something which we anticipated would happen. Not necessarily that it was discussed in the cabinet, but there is a language barrier. The Honourable Governor cannot speak any other language but Hindi, and what was done was done. You.
Di DEI ban pensyur yang di Synod Shillong dari hakani BYNTA wow ada yang joki kalau ulat ulat dari English tangka Zoom 28 juga conduct business juga bisa ada hot keren dah ketin lanjong bu dah apa tip shua yang bu ya dalam tu di Bhoi agak jik saja ini jenda lah sekarang ini semua ini satu banyak Iji bagi ki rat ki berjuang mencari ni keren macam sering mentala sang akak bagi keren di sekolah yang saya baca sarkar saya baca tu mungkin berat di penting tapi kita cakap tu kan not is dibentuk kita di rat ki berat macam di English kani kami kesin depan itu kani kita kesin depan ulat address dia kena yang dorbar bajatem di Henry ideally speaking ini bandai di Banamban kan ya kini paling lah banyak communicate yang lagi ni communicate kumno ada ngakren laga jong ketian u bab shawai ngakren kan shawai